So one of the questions we get is, what is the difference between hydroponics and passive hydroponics? So I've stayed away from conventional hydroponics like a plague. And the reason is that it's complex. You've got pumps, you've got motors, you're constantly measuring pH, and it's going to create noise in your house, which I didn't want, and I know it wouldn't have actually been allowed. But we found this passive hydroponics method developed by Kratky at the University of Hawaii. And what's so unique about it is that it truly is passive. So by taking a canning jar, you can fill it with water and nutrients, and the roots basically grow down. And Bernie's method is ingenious because what it's saying is that the plants get their oxygen for growth in this upper area. And the only thing you have to watch for is when you add water back, you never add water all the way up to the top. Because in a conventional hydroponics method, the pumps and the motors and the bubblers create the oxygen, whereas these roots are getting their oxygen from this upper area. And that is what makes it so unique and so easy for a home gardener to be able to grow their own food without all the complexity of conventional hydroponics.